Hi guys, how you doing? Long time no see, Hoppo here. Ooh. Right, I'm out on this glorious day to bring to you a new video, and this video is about the Yoshimura Rs3 exhaust performance. Just like to say thank you to all of my now 70 subscribers. If you remember in my last video it was 58, and in this short space of time, I think a couple of weeks, I've gained some more subscribers. Absolutely amazing. What I would like for all you guys watching the video to subscribe, because I know there's more watching than subscribing, and if you do enjoy the video, please subscribe, because it does help out my channel. And of course you guys are here from the beginning, so you're going to watch my channel grow, and I want you to come along on this journey with me. So let's get into this. Along with this Rs3 exhaust, I've installed a front and a rear sprocket, both from JT. I'll put the links in the description. It's a 14 tooth front sprocket and a 37 tooth rear sprocket, and that is a similar setup as to what John 5XR, he's another YouTuber who I've been talking to, and he's got the same setup as me. Or well, he did have the same setup as me. He might have changed it now because he's always changing stuff, but I'll link his channel in the description as well, so you can check out his channel. Amazing. Shout out John, cheers mate, thanks for all the advice and stuff, and the little hints and the tips. Great. The stock exhaust pipe I'm getting in the 60s, 60 miles per hour, just over 60 miles per hour. I've got like 65, 66. I'm quite excited about the future. I've got a few things I've got planned with a couple of mates. A few more additions, of course, to the monkey. Overall, the purpose of today's video is, of course, the performance of the Yoshimura exhaust. In my last video, I revealed Mr. Yoshi, as I like to call him now. And now, I'm just going to assess the performance. Just going to find a nice stretch of road and give this Yoshimura exhaust a good run. The sound of this exhaust is amazing. It really is. And another safety feature, I like to call it a safety feature, it's an unofficial safety feature, is because it's so loud, other cars can hear you. The stock exhaust is nice, but I prefer this because it's got a bit more, well, it's got a lot more, it seems to have a lot more.
A few moments later.
More torque, and obviously it sounds louder, so other drivers or riders can hear you. I'm going to attempt a top speed run with a Yoshimura RS exhaust with 14.2 front and 37 rear. Let's go. 54, 55, I'm in third gear. 62, 63. Fourth gear, 64, 65, 66, 67, I've got the wind against me. 67, I'm going to tuck in. 67, 68, woo! 68, it hasn't warmed up yet, I'm going to give it another go. 68, I'm tucked in, not fully, got to keep me on the road. 69, you just touched 70 there, you touched 70, 71, 72, come on, 73, come on monkey, 73, 74, 74, can't believe it, brilliant. 75, amazing. First run, 70, 75, first run, oh wow, amazing. It's a good stretch of road this is. Got to 75 miles per hour, 75. That's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I'm going to turn around, I'm going to give it another top speed run, put attempt number 1, 74/75 miles per hour. 75, Still 75. 76. Flash to 76. Wow. Right, I'm going to go around the island and turn back. This is absolutely amazing. First attempt. Let's call it 75 miles per hour. Wind against me. Slightly tucked in. I'm well happy about that. It's definitely faster and seems to have more torque. It's definitely made a big difference to the bike. Big difference. And I'm very happy. Okay, let's go. Right guys, this is attempt number 2. Attempt number 2 now, the top speed run of the Rs3 exhaust. Here goes. Woo! Okay, 66. 69. Wow, this exhaust. Brilliant. Absolutely amazing. 72. 73. 73. 74. I'm going to tuck in a bit now. 74, 75. 76. 76 miles per hour. Come on, monkey. You can do it, mate. IBS is flashing. 77. 77 miles per hour. Oh my god. This is brilliant. I love it. The performance overall so far on this second top speed run of the Yoshimura Rs3 exhaust with sprocket changes has been 76 to 77 miles per hour. I'm very, very happy. Okay, this is attempt number 3. We've got to 76 to 77 miles per hour. This is run number 3, the final lap of the top speed run of the Rs3 exhaust. Okay, 65, 66. We'll have to tuck down a bit. 67, 68, 67, 67, 68. Flashing on 67, 68 now, guys. Still on the flat. 71, 72, 73. Come on, monkey. 74, 73, 74. Come on. Yes. Brilliant. Holding the power resides. Holding. Power. There's a nice little bend round there on the top down. Give it one last push. But we know we've got it to 74 at least. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 76, 77, 78, he flashed on 79, 78, come on monkey, 77, he did flash on 79, 79, he did, I know he did, I saw it. I'm so happy with that. 78/79 miles per hour on a little 125 Honda Monkey bike, and I changed the exhaust to Yoshimura Rs3 and the 14-tooth front sprocket and 37 rear, and I've got up to 79 miles per hour. That is absolutely amazing. Well done, monkey. I'm very proud. Wow. Arguably the best 125 on the road. It's definitely the most popular, isn't it? Right guys, I've just finished the top speed run, and I'd just like to say thanks a lot for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like. I'd really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to close it out now. I'm so happy with today's performance. Wow. Just remember guys, be positive, stay true to yourself, ride safe and live life. Until the next video, Popo out.